Shrewsbury International School, Bangkok City Campus is a beautiful, purpose-built English curriculum primary school in the heart of Bangkok. Everyone here is committed to providing the very best education for our children. A complete learning experience full of exciting opportunities inside the classroom and beyond, and where we develop character and values hand in hand with strong academic foundations.
That learning journey starts right here in our amazing Early Years Hub, a safe, stimulating, age-appropriate environment for our youngest learners. We want our school to feel like a home from home. We build deep relationships with families to understand the needs of every child, and we use our expertise to provide a personalised learning experience that supports those needs and engages their interests.
There's a lot more activity, a lot more interaction. It seems to be a much more enjoyable experience. There's a real sense of value amongst the teachers and they really understand what's important.
เห็นลูกมีความสุขแต่ว่าลูกก็ได้เรียนรู้ไปด้วยเช่นแบบความรู้รอบตัวการเอาตัวรอดในสังคมการเป็นเด็กดีมีความคิดที่ดีเรียนรู้จากแบบผู้ใหญ่ที่แบบมีทัศนคติดีๆอย่างเงี้ยค่ะอันนี้คือแนวทางที่คุณแม่ต้องการให้ลูกได้รับ
Our specially created environment has been specifically designed for our collaborative, active learning approach. Throughout these spaces, you will find exciting, interactive experiences that develop essential foundations in literacy, mathematics, and our understanding of the world around.
Rose is learning whilst playing, which I think is why she's always happy and excited.
คุณครูเขาให้เด็กสนุกแต่เขาวางแผนมาแล้วว่าทุกคนที่จะเรียนในห้องเนี้ยเขาได้สนุกแล้วเขาก็สอดแทรกความรู้เข้าไป
I think her vocabulary has been sharpened up drastically. Her pronunciation, her understanding.
เขาพูดแบบเป็นธรรมชาติคือ accent ใช้ได้เลยคุณแม่พอใจ
Together we investigate, explore, and overcome challenges through critical and reflective thinking. We grow in confidence and learn personal, social, and emotional skills.We learn to collaborate as well as to become independent.
ไม่ใช่แค่ท่องจำหนังสือหรือเขียนหนังสือได้บวกเลขเก่งบวกเลขเร็วคุณแม่ไม่ได้อยากได้แค่นั้น
얘기하게 해주고 표현하게 해주고 그거로 인해서 같이 방법을 찾아가면서 바른 길로 교육을 해주는 시스템이니까 저희 아이들은 그게 너무 좋다고 그 두 가지 좋은 점에 대해서 굉장히 많이 어필을 해요.
Together we learn to make responsible decisions, make healthy choices.Take ownership of the environment and to respect our world. We learn to become global citizens by exploring languages and cultures that are different from our own.
I really noticed a lift in Freddie's confidence.
많이 밝아졌어요. 많이 밝아졌고 그리고 이제 자기 주관도 약간 더 뚜렷해졌고
เขาก็จะเรียนเรื่องเดียวกันหมดเลยทั้งภาษาไทยภาษาจีนภาษาอังกฤษแล้วบางคำคือในสมองเขาคิดเป็นภาษาอังกฤษอะค่ะคือแม้ว่าเขาพัฒนาเกิน100จริงๆ
We learn to express ourselves and find our voices and learn to listen and embrace our imaginations. Together we celebrate our achievements and together we grow as a learning community, a family of lifelong friends.
I'm really happy with the experience that Freddie's having in early years. It sets him up for thinking that school's a great place to be, and I think it will give him a really positive outlook on his future education.
She wakes up in the morning, happy to go to school. It's all we could ask for, to be honest.
เพราะฉะนั้นก็ค่อนข้างมั่นใจว่าเขากำลังดูแลลูกเราได้ดีอยู่แล้วเราก็ไม่ได้เลือกโรงเรียนที่ผิดค่ะ